I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will explore divisibility rule for 3. The rule is, if sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. What I'm trying to say is that if we have a number like 21, 7 times 3 is 21. Let us add 2 and 1. If I add 2 and 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we know 3 is divisible by 3, and therefore 21 is also divisible by 3. That is the rule. Let me write another number. Let's say 81. Now 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Since 9 can be divided by 3, 81 can be divided by 3 also. Let me take a higher number. 1, 2, 3. Let's add these digits. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 3 plus 3, 6. Since you can divide 6 by 3, you can also divide 123 by 3. Well, let us check it. So we'll now do long division. We'll divide 123 by 3 and see if we can divide it evenly. 3 times 4 is number 12. When you take away 12 from 12, you get 0. Bring down 3, and we know 3 times 1 is 3. So that's 0. That means 3 times 41 is equal to 123, right? So you can divide 123 by 3. Let's take even a bigger number. Let's say if the number is 2, 4, 5, 6. I'm just writing at random. Now the question is, can you divide this number by 3 evenly? Is this number a product of 3 or a multiple of 3? Let us check. Let's add the digits. So we will add 2, 4, 5 and 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17, right? So we get 17. Can you divide 17 by 3? You can't, right? And therefore 2, 4, 5, 6 is also not divisible by 3. Let us check it, right? So let me write down this number here and divide. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6. Let's test. 3, you cannot divide 2, but 24 goes 8 times. So 3 times 8 is 24. You bring down 5. 3 times 1 is 3. You get 2. Bring down 6. 3 times 8 is 24. You get a remainder, which is 2. Do you see that? So the rule works, right? If when you add digits, you get a number which cannot be divided by 3, then the whole number cannot be divided by 3. Now the question is, what is the closest number to 2, 4, 5, 6 which can be divided by 3? Well, 17 is not a multiple of 3, but 18 is. So if I increase it by 1, then what happens? Well, let me write down my new number, and that is, I'll write down 2, 4, 5, 7. Let's test. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 is how much? 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 can be divided by 3. So that means 2, 4, 5, 6 is divisible by 3. Let us test it out, okay? So let's test. So again, we'll divide this number, which is 2, 4, 5, 7, and we will divide this number by 3. So I'm using a different ink this time. 3. 3 times 8 is 24, right? So you get 0 here, and 5. 3 times 1 is 3. You have 2, bring down 7, 27, and 3 times 9 is 27. So indeed, 2457 is divisible by 3, and if you divide, you get 819. Right? Isn't that interesting? So, the rule works, and the rule is that if you add all the digits and what you get is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3, correct? So let's have some examples to test, and these are for you to test. Let's say the number is 4125. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5, 6, 7 plus 5 is 12. You should be in a position to divide this by 3. Check it out. And let's say number is 50236172. So I just wrote few numbers and the number be 9936. Now your exercise is to check whether these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Use the rule, test, and then perform long division to check your answer. I hope that helps. Thank you.